Hello student, today we are going to discuss NCERT example problem. It's third chapter, first problem, class 11 physics. Okay. So first problem, first we'll see what is the problem is given. Actually the diagram is given. Okay, it's 3.1 figure. Okay. So I'll draw the diagram. What the diagram is indicates. The object is start from O. Okay, directly it went to the point of it is a point of P. Okay, there are two questions is asked. First I will do with first question. The object start from O, end with P. So totally it is 100, 200, 300. It is 360 meter. Okay, so total length is 360 meter. Then is taken time for this is it is 18 second. Okay, then the object came back to the return to the 240 meter. Okay, so it's returned to the 240 meter. Object returned to the 240 meter. Okay, so it is 100 meter, it is 200 meter, it is 300 meter, the finally 360. Okay, so he came back to the point of Q, the point of Q. Exactly it is 240 meter. Okay, now they asked two cases. Okay, case 1, what is the work done? Sorry, case 1, what is speed and velocity? So the case 1, what is velocity, average velocity and average speed. Okay, so the next one, case 2, also same thing, what is the velocity, what is the speed. Okay, for both the case, what is the velocity, what is the speed is a question mark. So actually two questions. For first case, the object is moving O to P. Second case, the object is moving O to Q. Okay, O to P, P to Q. Okay, this is the second case condition. It's going and coming back to the Q. For both the cases, we should find what is the velocity, what is the speed. Okay, now I'll be doing with one by one. See here, case 1. First case, speed and velocity is asked. Object is moving from O to P. How much distance is it? Is 360 meter. How much time is taken? 18 second is taken. Okay. Now first we'll do what is the distance. Distance from one point to another point. Distance definition, starting and ending point. Shortest distance between starting and ending point is the distance. So when the object moving in a straight line, distance and displacement will be the same. Okay. When the object is moving from here to here, so O to P, distance and displacement will be the same, because only the condition object has to move in a straight line from one point to another point. Okay, so now velocity is equal to displacement by time. What is the displacement? Displacement already I told you, 360 meter, distance also 360 meter. Displacement by time. How much displacement? 360. How much time? 18. Okay, so it is 2 times. Oh, we'll get as a 20 meter per second as a velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Case 1, velocity I found. What about the speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. So distance also in this case same. Our time will be 18. 360 divided by 18. So speed is going to get as a 20 meter per second, which is going to call us the speed. So case 1, I got speed and velocity both. Okay, now case 2 I am going to calculate. See what is case 2 is happen. Second case also same question, speed and velocity, but the object start from O, it went to the P and it came back to the point of Q. Okay, so this distance is 360 and he reached at the point of 240 meter. Okay, 240 meter, this point is 360 meter. Example 100, 200, 300 like that will be there. No, it is 240 meter. Okay, it's given in the diagram. Now what is the distance? What is the distance? Distance is the actual length of the path, 360 plus this much distance. So how much distance it is? 360 plus, so this going to be 360 minus 240. So 0, 2, 1. Actually I'll get 120 because he walked 360 plus 120. Okay, divided by for during this process when he walks P to Q is taken 6 seconds. Okay, so 18 for 360 meter, 6 seconds for 120 meter. Okay, now what is the answer? The answer, we have to add both. It is going to be 480. When we are adding this two, we will get as a 480 divided by this 18 plus 6 will have 24, which we can get 20 meter per second. So total distance is 480. Total timing is 24. Okay, so it is time is equal to speed. Finally we got speed is 20 meter per second. Now velocity shortest distance between starting and ending point, it is how much? It is 240 divided by 24, so which will get as 10 meter per second.